Welcome, everybody. I'm glad to see you at Story Station today. We have a wonderful story about one of my favorite animals. Can you tell what it is? It has some arms and some legs and a great big tail. You're right. If you said monkey, that's one of my favorite animals. And today's story is called Monkey, A Trickster Tale from India by Gerald McDermott. A trickster tale. Do you know what a trick is? I know you've heard of trick or treat, right? A trick is something that's kind of funny that someone does to you. Maybe they pulled a little trick on you by putting a funny plastic spider on your chair. Or maybe they pulled out your chair before you sat down. Youch! That kind of trick would hurt. There's lots of different tricks, and this is a tale. Not this kind of tale on the monkey. A tale is a story that somebody made up about a trick that someone in the story tried to play on Monkey. And it happened far, far away in India. Can you get your bodies ready to read? Sit up nice and straight. Put those great big glasses on and open them wide so you can see all of the illustrations. Open up your hearing. Turn on those ears so you can hear everything the author has to say. And open your voice box so you can respond to all of the fun pictures and the funny tricks that happen in the story. Let's get ready to sing the parts of the book. Come on, I know you can sing with me. The title's on the front, the title's on the front. Hi-ho, biblio, the title's on the front. The author writes the words, the author writes the words. Hi-ho, biblio, the author writes the words. The illustrator draws, the illustrator draws. Hi-ho, biblio, the illustrator draws. The spine binds the book, the spine binds the book. Hi-ho, biblio, the spine binds the book. And now it's time to read, and now it's time to read. Hi-ho, biblio, and now it's time to read. On the front is one character in the story. That's somebody who's in the story. And on the back is another character. Do you recognize that character? It's got a great big mouth with lots of teeth. If you said crocodile, you're right. Sometimes we confuse them and call them alligators. The alligators and the crocodiles both have great big teeth, but they have a different kind of snout. So let's see what kind of trick this tale is about. Monkey, A Trickster Tale from India by Gerald McDermott. And thank you to Harcourt Children's Books for giving us permission to read this story today. The dedication page is who Gerald McDermott wrote the book for Mallory, Hannah, and Tanner. Monkey, chattering monkey. He lived high in a tree on the banks of the wide flowing river. I can see monkey, but can you see somebody else in this page? Below the tree, in the river. It's green and it has 2 eyes, and it was another character in the book. Monkey jumped so high and so fast through the treetops, no one could catch him. But catching Monkey was exactly what Crocodile wanted to do. Murmured hungry Crocodile. How delicious a monkey heart would be. Uh-oh. That sounds like it's a pretty big problem, doesn't it? Do you think Monkey is going to get together with Crocodile? Crocodile slithered up into the water. Good morning, Monkey, he called out. Good morning, Crocodile, answered Monkey. Where are you going? To the island in the middle of the river, answered Crocodile. Wow, this is his mouth with all his teeth, and look at how long his body is. He's a lot longer than Monkey. Yum, said Monkey. Delicious mangoes grow there, but that's too far for me to swing. Climb on my back, my friend, called Crocodile. I'll take you to the island. Do you think that's a good idea? Should Monkey get on Crocodile's back? Monkey swung down from the tree and hopped onto Crocodile's scaly back. You see all those little ridges? Those are scales. They don't have hair like we do. They have scales on their back. Do you think it's going to be safe for Monkey to be on Crocodile's back? What do you think could happen? As Crocodile glided through the deep, dark water, he sank lower and lower. Uh-oh, Monkey started to get wet. Do you think monkeys like to get wet? Do you like to get wet? Oh my goodness, I cannot swim, shouted Monkey. How well I know, said Crocodile. Now I'm going to eat your heart. Oh, eat my heart, said Monkey. What a pity. I left my heart up in the tree. Do you think that's possible? You left your heart in the tree? Crocodile grumbled. What a nuisance. A nuisance is like, oh, that's a lot of trouble. So now Crocodile has to help Monkey get his heart back so he can eat it. Crocodile returned with Monkey to the muddy brown riverbank. As soon as they reached the shore, Monkey leapt off Crocodile's back and scampered up the tall tree, laughing and chattering. Why do you think he's laughing? Do you think he really left his heart in the tree? Look, my heart is here, called Monkey from the treetop. Just climb up here and get it. Crocodile grunted and thrashed and swam away. Is that a good trick? Did Monkey trick Crocodile? Now Monkey wanted the delicious mangoes more than ever. He leapt from treetop to treetop until he discovered some large rocks far downriver. He saw that if he skipped across the rocks to the island, he could feast on the mangoes every day. So here he is, swinging, 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 and look at those rocks down there. The next morning, Crocodile came swimming down the river looking for Monkey. He heard Monkey chattering. He saw Monkey jump from the tree to the rock, to the island. I shall pretend I'm a rock, said Crocodile. Boy, that's a good trick. When Monkey jumps on me, I will snap him up, heart and all. Crocodile lay low in the water all day long. Why do you think he was laying low? Was he pretending to be a rock? When Monkey had eaten his fill, he headed for home with all the mangoes that he could carry. He jumped off the island onto a rock into the river. He was just about to jump into another rock, but something was wrong. Monkey looked closer, and then he called out to the in a cheery voice, "Hello, rock!" Do you think the rock is going to answer back? Monkey called out again, "I say good evening." Crocodile was silent. He lay low in the water. Crocodile said nothing. You see him? Just his scales and his head peeking out. Do you think he's going to trick Monkey? "Rock, will you not greet me this evening?" asked Monkey. Crocodile thought the rock must actually answer. He said, "Good evening." "Ha, you're not a rock," said Monkey. "You're a crocodile." "I'm as good as a rock," said Crocodile. "You can jump on me to get to the other side." "Oh, what a splendid idea," said Monkey. "Here I come." Is that going to present a problem if he jumps on Crocodile's back? Monkey got ready to leap. Crocodile closed his eyes and opened his jaws. Open your jaws as wide as a crocodile. Do you think he's going to eat him? But instead of leaping, Monkey popped a mango right into Crocodile's mouth. That was a good trick. Bang! Crocodile snapped his jaws shut, and quickly Monkey jumped on Crocodile's nose and then onto the muddy brown riverbank. I think Monkey tricked Crocodile. Laughing and chattering, Monkey scampered up a tree and swung from branch to branch. "Your teeth may be sharp," Monkey shouted to the crocodile, "but your mind is dull." Now Monkey feasts on delicious mangoes every day. Crocodile lies low in the water, keeping an eye out for him. And when Monkey crosses the river to go home, he is always careful to jump on a rock and not on a crocodile. Boy, I think each of those characters, Monkey and Crocodile, were both trying to trick each other. How was Crocodile trying to trick Monkey? Do you remember? Did he say, "Jump on my back and I'll carry you back to the island"? He thought he'd close his eyes and open his mouth and eat him right up. But Monkey tricked him back. Do you remember what he did? Why, his jaw was open. He threw a mango. And Crocodile thought it was Monkey, and he chomped down on that mango. And just as he did, Monkey chomped down onto his snout and back up the tree. A trickster tale. Tricks are kind of fun. I don't think these tricks hurt anybody. It's fun to play tricks, kind of like April Fools. You say an April Fool's joke, but it's not fun to play a mean trick on anybody. But I think Monkey's trick helped save his life. I hope you enjoyed our story about Monkey and the Trickster Tale from India by Gerald McDermott. And we'll see you next time on Story Station. Bye-bye.